In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Chrome extensions with Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money supports a few Chrome extensions that can enhance your experience, including an official extension and some popular community tools. The main one is the Monarch Retail Sync extension. You can install it from the Chrome Web Store, then log into your Monarch account to enable it. Once set up, visit your Amazon or Target orders page, and it will automatically add item details like names, quantities, and prices into your transaction notes. There are also community extensions that add extra features. Some allow quicker splitting of transactions, better layouts, or additional display options to improve usability. After installing any extension, make sure to refresh the Monarch web app so it works properly. Keep in mind that these extensions only work on the desktop version and are designed to improve how you manage and review your transactions. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.